Welcome to Dave's Diaries in France. Enjoy the video.
Welcome back. It's a grey day in the Mayenne today. I haven't posted a video up for a few days because a few issues. So yeah, but I have been busy. The wife's car developed a problem. She went to fuel up day before yesterday. What was it yesterday? Oh, it was yesterday, I believe. And I think, was it yesterday? No, it was the day before. God, I'm losing it. Whereby she went to fuel up and she pulled the little catch to release the fuel cap cover, and she couldn't get the fuel cap cover off to access the fuel cap. So I looked online onto various issues why this would happen, and it was the actuator plunger that was causing the issue. So I spent a few hours ripping the upholstery apart to get access on the internal side of the actuator that releases the fuel cap cover. So I got there, and literally all you have to do is grab it with two fingers and slide it, and it releases it. But that wasn't the issue, because I tested the actuator and it was fine. So I got the fuel cap cover off, or open, and then it was the mechanism that releases it once the actuator goes. The spring mechanism, it's not a spring, it's a tension bracket, had fallen out of place, and also the hinge that the cover is on was tight as you can think. So I had to release all the tightness by spraying copious amounts of WD-40 and other products, GT85 maybe as well, and freeing that up, and also putting the tensioning mechanism back into place where it should be, and giving a bit of a bend so it would release, and cover the whole thing with ceramic grease, and worked my magic, and that solved the problem. But that in itself took me, the research as well, all in all took me 6 hours. I don't mind doing it. It's just, why don't Renault make a bloody car that you can access the parts that have failed to replace them easily? Anyway, that's that. I didn't film it because I was in a bit of a mood at the time. Hence, you could probably, you wouldn't have liked to see it anyway. But I solved it, let's put it that way. And the mother-in-law went away for a few days to see her friend just about, 100 miles south of here. And that was bliss. And now she's back. And then chaos theory ensues. So, but anyway, I've had to cut back this tree here against the workshop because it was impeding the roof line here, just up there, and it was also going over the neighbours, and yeah, it needed doing. I hate the tree anyway, so that's the remnants of it. So I've got to take the good bits from it, i.e. the thick stuff, and store it, and then the thin stuff goes in the green waste. I'm not going to film it because you've seen it all before. So see you in an hour or so. Right, as you can see behind me, I've now cleared the tree away from the roof space, and everything is gone from here, and I've got 3 or 4 bags of green waste. So now I'm going to do a green run and a recycling run. I can't do a bin run for the simple reason our department where we live doesn't allow us to just throw rubbish away in bin bags. You have to pay for that, and we haven't got a card to access the revolving bins that you put the waste in. So when I go to towards Laval to do the do-upper, that's when I normally get rid of all the waste, the rubbish, the household rubbish. But because I haven't been there for the last couple of weeks, then I take it when I can take it. But I will be doing it very shortly, so probably over the weekend, probably Saturday, because it's the wife's birthday on Friday. And so yeah, probably then. Anyway, it's a bit of a boring one, but it is what it is. So I'll catch you later.